In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an image to text. This is a handy skill, especially when you need to extract information from photos, screenshots, or scanned documents. We will explore two methods today, starting with Google Photos. First, open the image you want to convert in Google Photos. It's as simple as locating the image in your library and tapping on it. The image should open up in full screen. Now, look for the lens icon on the bottom of your screen. It's usually represented by a small square with a dot in the middle. Tap on it. This action will activate Google Lens, which is a powerful tool for recognizing text within images. Once Google Lens is active, you'll see several options. Select the one labeled text. This is crucial because it tells Google Lens to focus on extracting the text rather than identifying objects or places within the image. Next up, you have the option to tap Select All to choose all the text in the image. If you only need a portion of the text, you can manually highlight the specific words or sentences you want. This flexibility is valuable when dealing with images that have both important and irrelevant information. After selecting the text, tap Copy Text. This step is essential because it saves the extracted text to your clipboard, allowing you to paste it wherever you need. Whether it's a document, a note, or an email, your text is now ready for use. Google Photos combined with Google Lens makes this process seamless and efficient. Moving on, let's look at an online method that works on any device. First, visit an OCR website. Some popular choices are Xconvert Image to Text or Imagi2TXT OCR tool. These platforms are accessible from your browser, making them versatile and convenient. Once on the website, locate the option to upload your image. This is typically a button labeled Upload or Choose File. Click it and select the image file from your device. Uploading the image initiates the OCR process. After uploading, you'll need to wait for the OCR process to finish. This usually takes just a few moments depending on the image size and website speed. The website will notify you once it's done processing your image. Finally, you can either copy the extracted text directly from the website or download it as a file. This gives you the flexibility to work with the text in any format you prefer. Before we wrap up, let's discuss some tips for better accuracy. Always use a clear, high-resolution image. Blurry or low-quality images can lead to errors in text extraction. Make sure the text is well lit and stands out from the background. Good lighting ensures that the OCR tool can distinguish the text from other elements in the image. Additionally, consider cropping out any unnecessary background before extracting text. This reduces distractions and enhances the accuracy of the OCR process. Remember, image quality and text clarity are critical factors in achieving the best results. And there you have it. You've learned two effective methods to convert images to text using both Google Photos and online OCR tools. Thank you for watching and happy converting.